Let's shine a light on the real workhorses of our world, excavators. These powerful machines are often overlooked, but without them, the landscapes of our cities and towns would remain unchanged. Every day they tackle the toughest jobs, braving the elements and working tirelessly from dawn until dusk. These machines are the muscle behind every skyscraper, bridge, and highway. Their strength and reliability make them indispensable on any construction site, whether it's a massive urban project or a rural development. Before any building rises, an excavator is there, clearing the way and moving tons of earth. They transform rough, uneven ground into a blank canvas, ready for architects and builders to bring their visions to life. They're not just digging holes. They're laying the groundwork for progress. Every scoop of dirt is a step towards something new, something better, and something that will stand for generations. The sheer power and precision of these machines is mesmerizing. With hydraulic arms and steel buckets, they move earth with a grace that belies their size, performing delicate tasks as easily as heavy lifting. Watching an excavator scoop and swing is like seeing controlled chaos in action. Each movement is calculated, every load carefully balanced, ensuring safety and efficiency on the job site. It takes real skill to operate one, years of practice, focus, and respect for the machine. Operators are true craftsmen, mastering both the art and science of excavation, and their expertise keeps projects moving forward. Next time you pass a construction site, remember, that yellow giant is shaping the future. It's not just a machine, it's a symbol of progress, working quietly as life goes on around it. It's more than just moving dirt, it's building the foundation for what comes next. Every project, big or small, starts with the careful work of these machines and the people who operate them. These machines and their operators are the first on the job and the last to leave. Their dedication ensures that construction never stops, no matter the weather or the hour. They're the backbone of progress, deserving our respect for the hard, essential work they do. Without their relentless effort, our modern world simply wouldn't exist. So next time you see an excavator at work, take a moment to appreciate the unsung heroes of the construction site. They're not just moving earth, they're building the future, one scoop at a time. So, what is an excavator? You've probably seen these massive machines on construction sites, but there's a lot more to them than meets the eye. At its core, it's a heavy machine built for digging. But it's so much more. Excavators are the backbone of countless projects, from building skyscrapers to laying pipelines and even demolishing old structures. The cab, or house, is the operator's command center, packed with controls for every movement. From here, the operator can rotate the entire upper structure, maneuver the arm, and control attachments with precision. The arm has two main parts: the boom, which acts like your upper arm, and the stick, similar to your forearm. This design gives the excavator incredible reach, flexibility, and the ability to dig deep or stretch far. At the end is the bucket, the business end, designed for everything from breaking rock to scooping mud. Buckets come in different shapes and sizes, each tailored for a specific job, whether it's trenching, grading, or demolition. But it doesn't stop there. Buckets and attachments can be swapped out in minutes, making excavators incredibly versatile for any job. Attachments like hydraulic breakers, grapples, and augers turn the machine into a true multi-tool. The undercarriage, usually with tank-like tracks, lets the machine move over rough, muddy ground without getting stuck. These tracks are built tough, allowing the excavator to tackle steep slopes and uneven terrain with ease. Those tracks distribute weight, providing stability and traction on any terrain. This means excavators can work in places where wheeled vehicles would struggle or sink. Every part works together, turning the excavator into a precise, powerful tool. The coordination between the cab, arm, bucket, and tracks allows for smooth, efficient operation. It's not just a digger, it's a multi-tool for the modern construction site. With the right attachment, it can lift, break, drill, or even cut. Whether it's clearing land, dredging rivers, or handling debris after a storm, the excavator adapts to the task at hand, making it indispensable across industries. That's why you'll find them everywhere, from bustling city centers to remote, hard-to-reach job sites. Their adaptability and strength make them a common sight wherever heavy work needs to be done. They're the ultimate symbol of construction ingenuity, machines that shape the world around us, one scoop at a time. How does an excavator move with such power and precision? The answer lies in the incredible world of hydraulics. a technology that transforms simple mechanical energy into the raw force needed for heavy lifting and delicate maneuvers alike. At the heart of every excavator is a robust diesel engine. This engine doesn't just provide motion, it powers a hydraulic pump, which pressurizes oil and sends it surging through a network of reinforced hoses built to withstand immense pressure. This high-pressure oil is the lifeblood of the machine, moving pistons inside hydraulic cylinders. As these pistons extend and retract, they flex the boom, stick, and bucket, giving the excavator its signature range of motion. Inside the cab, the operator's hands rest on sensitive levers. Even the smallest movement of these controls is instantly translated into massive force at the arm, thanks to the precise response of the hydraulic system. With just a flick of the wrist, the operator can move tons of earth, scoop, lift, and dump heavy loads with remarkable ease. This efficiency is what makes excavators indispensable on construction sites. The hydraulic system isn't just about brute strength, it also allows for delicate precision, enabling the excavator to pick up small objects or break apart massive rocks, all with the same set of controls. Even the tracks are powered by hydraulic motors. This lets the operator spin, pivot, or maneuver the entire machine with surprising agility, even in the tightest spaces. Each track can be controlled independently, allowing for pinpoint turns and on-the-spot rotations. This level of control is essential for navigating complex job sites. Such maneuverability is crucial when working in crowded or challenging environments, where every inch counts and obstacles are everywhere. The combination of raw power and precise control makes the excavator a true giant on the job site, capable of tackling the toughest tasks with confidence. Every component, from the smallest hose to the largest cylinder, is a testament to impressive engineering, simple in concept yet powerful and reliable in execution. That's the secret behind every scoop, lift, and swing you see on a busy construction site, a seamless blend of strength, precision, and innovation. It's not magic, it's hydraulics in action, bringing these mechanical giants to life every single day. Not all excavators are created equal. Some are built for truly unique challenges. Enter the specialists' long-reach and amphibious excavators. Long-reach models have extended arms for jobs like dredging rivers or demolishing tall structures. Their reach lets them work safely from a distance, handling tasks regular excavators can't touch. Amphibious excavators take it a step further, floating on sealed pontoons to work directly in water. They can navigate swamps, lakes, and rivers, going where no other machine can. Some, like the Komatsu PC210, combine long reach with amphibious capabilities for ultimate versatility. These machines are essential for waterway management, dredging, debris removal, and flood prevention. When the job is wet, muddy, or seemingly impossible, these specialists get it done. They're proof that with the right design, no environment is off limits. Adaptation is the name of the game in heavy machinery. Getting an amphibious excavator to a remote river isn't simple. It's a logistical feat. These giants are too big to drive on roads, so they're transported in pieces by powerful trucks. The main body rides on a low-bed trailer, while other trucks carry the arm, bucket, and massive pontoons. Once on site, a mobile crane like the Tadano TG452 takes over, lifting each heavy component with precision. Riggers on the ground guide the crane operator with hand signals, ensuring every move is safe and accurate. The main body is set down first, followed by the pontoons and arm. Every step is carefully choreographed. One mistake could mean disaster. It's a high-stakes operation that demands teamwork and focus. The process is a dance of machines and people, each playing a critical role. Only when every piece is in place can assembly begin. Moving the machine is just as impressive as the work it does. With all the parts on the ground, the assembly crew gets to work. First, the crane lifts the pontoons and workers guide them into place with millimeter precision. Massive bolts are hammered in, securing the pontoons to the main body. Next comes the long boom, then the stick, and finally the bucket, each attached with enormous steel pins. Every connection is double-checked for safety and strength. The crew works in sync, combining muscle and mechanical know-how. Communication is constant. Every move matters. It's tough, dirty work, often in mud or uneven ground. But without this skilled team, the excavator would remain a pile of parts. Their expertise brings the machine to life, ready for action. This is teamwork at its finest: precision, strength, and trust. With the last bolt tightened, the excavator is ready for its amphibious debut. The operator fires up the engine, checks the controls, and slowly guides the machine toward the water. As the pontoons hit the river, the excavator floats, 20 tons, now at home on water. Tracks on the pontoons paddle it into position, while the bucket can push or pull the machine for fine adjustments. This unique mobility lets it work in the middle of rivers, dredging sediment and clearing debris. For river authorities, it's a game changer, keeping waterways healthy and communities safe from floods. The amphibious excavator turns impossible jobs into routine work. It's a floating powerhouse, reshaping the landscape where land and water meet. Essential for environmental management, it protects both people and ecosystems. This is innovation in action, engineering meeting nature's challenges head-on. There's something magnetic about watching an excavator at work. The scale, the sound, the raw power, it's impossible to ignore. Diesel engines rumble, hydraulics hiss, and steel bites into earth, a symphony of progress. It's loud, gritty, and deeply satisfying to witness. But it's not just brute force, it's the operator's skill that makes it art. With subtle joystick movements, they perform feats of precision, leveling ground, digging trenches, placing pipes. It's a dance between human and machine, strength and finesse. In a digital world, excavators offer tangible results, real progress you can see and touch. At day's end, the transformation is visible. A foundation dug, a river cleared. That's why we're drawn to these machines. They make the abstract concrete. They remind us of the satisfaction in honest physical work. Moving earth is more than a job. It's building the future, one scoop at a time. And that's a sight worth watching. Excavators are more than machines, they're the backbone of our built world. They dig foundations, carve roads, and maintain the infrastructure we rely on. Specialized models like amphibious excavators protect our environment and manage disasters. Every project starts with their work, from city skyscrapers to rural bridges. Behind every machine is a team, drivers, riggers, assemblers, making it all possible. These unsung heroes shape our world, often unnoticed but always essential. Next time you see an excavator, remember the journey it took to get there. It's a story of teamwork, engineering, and determination. They're the powerful, indispensable force behind progress. And that's a job worth celebrating.